guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I'm gonna see if I can get some free clothes. So how am I gonna get some free clothes, you might ask? Well, here's the hope. So I have some clothes from my closet that I'm wanting to get rid of. So the thought is I'm gonna take these clothes to like a clothing resale place, so like a Crossroads or like a Turnstile, Plato's Closet kind of place, and see if I can sell them, which hopefully I can, and take that money along with a 30% off coupon that's been burning a hole in my pocket for a local thrift store here called Unique. Well, I guess it's not really local, but like it's here in Minneapolis, and see what I can get with that cash. Hopefully this works. This is a complete test. It could totally fail because I feel like I've tried to sell clothes before and made like $5, so we're gonna see how this goes. But I have some high hopes. Yeah, I've had this idea for a long time and I've just been like neglecting it because I feel like it's gonna take a long time. So let's just get this going. So I'm gonna take a quick look at the things I have here. I wanna make sure that the things I'm gonna take are things that they would even consider taking right now, just because I know these places buy like seasonally. So right off the bat, this jacket, I don't think they're gonna want because it's the end of winter here, but this is a really cute jacket. I actually might just keep this one for right now, kind of hold on to it. It was a little small for me, but we'll keep it for now. It's a cute color and cute coat, so I'll keep that one actually. And I've got a few tees, mostly from Target, some like colored printed tees. I just don't wear them anymore. I'm not really into those. I've got a few pairs of dress pants. They're both kind of like cropped, skinny like ankle pants. I've got a maroon pair and a like coral pair. These ones are actually really cute. Then I have this little bandage skirt. It's from Art & B. I used to work at Art & B back in the day. Rip Art & B. If you don't know Art & B, they were like an older Wet Seal. They were owned by Wet Seal, but kind of older, a little more like club-esque. And I used to work there for like a long time. I think that's the last thing I have from them. I've got these Gap skinny camo jeans. This is another Target. It's like a pencil skirt with a little belt. Got this cute little top here. Got another kind of silky shrug tee. This is an Old Navy one. I used to be really into these kind of tops where they're kind of dressy but super comfy and casual feeling. Have this like long sleeve Target top. Just never wore it. These are cute. I just kept finding myself never wearing them. They're from Gap. They're like a skinny ankle pant that's kind of printed, a little acid washed. I have this top from Wet Seal. It's like again, like a fancy loose top with a little belt on it. Have a few coats. This is actually a pretty nice like blazer from H&M. I just never wear it. I'm gonna try and get rid of that one, I think. Got some fun printed leggings. Those were a Target find. This is a cute little like gray cheetah print sweater from Old Navy. Cute little gold zipper in the front. Another blazer. This was a really cute one. My sisters got this for me for Christmas a while ago, but I wore the heck out of this thing. Just like a really nice kind of like wool orange blazer. Just don't wear it anymore. Another Gap find. It's like a little light bomber jacket. Kind of sweatshirt material. Have a little black and white flannel from Old Navy. I thought I was gonna really like this, and I wore it quite a bit, but I just don't wear it often. It's a short sleeve flannel, and it just looks a little too boxy on me, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And then this is really cute. I used to wear this a lot. This is a little H&M like kimono type top, but it's a little too small. It's an extra small. And I'm definitely not an extra small, but it's kind of like just like a baggy top. And so could use it, but I just never wear it anymore. I have like a zip up workout jacket thing, but it's bright pink and I don't wear bright pink. Even though my hair is pink, I don't wear bright pink. Have a cute little salmon scarf that I just don't wear. Another flannel. This one just fits kind of strange, and so I'm done with it. But I've got these little boots. I just don't wear them. They're kind of like heeled rain boots, and I just don't wear heels. And then lastly, something that I'm so sad to see go are these New Balance tennies. These are literally in like perfect condition. These are New Balance 420s. They're super cute. They're like a suede gray. They're so cute. I literally like barely worn them. They're just too tight. I usually wear an 8. Even sometimes I can do like a 7.5. And these are an 8. They're just like way too tight on my feet. I tried holding on to them for a long time, and I just need to let them go. So those are all the things I'm trying to get rid of. Hopefully, I think I've got some good stuff, so I have some hope that we'll sell something, but we'll see.
Parking monitor mode keeps working.
So I ended up taking my clothes to Plato's Closet. I haven't been to Plato's Closet since I lived in Missouri, so like over 3 years ago. I've sold clothes in Minneapolis, but I've sold them to someone else, and so I was pleasantly surprised with the process. I'm about to go pick them up because I got there and you kind of like check in and then you can leave. I've never had that before. That's such a genius idea. I don't know why no one had like made that happen before, because every other time I've sold clothes, I was like, yeah, stay around. It'll be like an hour. And so they said it was gonna be like an hour and a half, but I could like leave, and then I just had to be back by closing time, which I think if you don't pick them up by closing, then they like donate your stuff or like everything that you didn't sell. So I'm about to go inside. I dropped them off, went to the grocery store. We have friends coming over for dinner tonight, so I grabbed some groceries, and then I'm here to pick them up. So let's see how I did. It went pretty well. It looks like I sold 11 things and I got $38, which is pretty fantastic. I've never spent more than $38 at the thrift store. So I've got about an hour before I need to head home. So I'm gonna head to Unique and see what I can get my hands on. And I might end up going back later, like tomorrow or something if I can't. It looks like they took kind of the things that I like wouldn't think they took. I was really thinking they were going to take those New Balance shoes just because I feel like those are pretty on trend right now, and they didn't. They took the like heeled rain boots, which I thought was kind of odd. They took those Vince Camuto pants, which I guess that kind of made my mind up about those. They also took this little purse, which I think actually didn't show in the video for some reason. And then they took this like denim dress, which I also added like last minute. And it looked like maybe they took, I couldn't quite tell everything. They kind of like show you the bin really fast, like this is what we took, this is what you're gonna get. I'm like, okay, can I look through it and see what you took? But I guess I could figure it out with the things that are left in my bag back here. But I think that's a pretty good outcome, so I'm gonna head to the thrift store. I think this was a success. I got a Hawaiian shirt, a pair of Wrangler jeans, and a like brand new pair of white leather Converse high tops. And I spent $18. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm so excited. So it went really well, as you noticed. I ended up selling, I think it was like 11 things to Plato's Closet, and I got $38, which is nuts. So I was super excited about that. And then, like I said, I took the rest of the stuff that I didn't sell, except for I took out those New Balance shoes and like kept them because I'm gonna try and sell them online. But I took the rest of it and donated it to my thrift store that I go to all the time called Unique. It's owned by like the same company as Savers and Value Village, and so I love that place. So I took the rest of my stuff there, and I had a discount to use on the stuff that I was going shopping for, so it was like a win-win kind of a thing, because I was shopping with free money that I just got from selling clothes, but then I was also going to save money. So let's jump in to my little haul. I kind of tried to like not go super crazy. At first I was thinking, hey, maybe I'll just get like, I'll see if I can get a full outfit of stuff. And then I was like, well, let's not get too specific, because sometimes if you're familiar with thrifting, you kind of have to go and like see what you're gonna find and kind of like hope for the best and be open to what you're gonna get. But I actually went away with a full outfit and it worked out great. So let's jump in to the things that I got. First, I got this really cool Hawaiian shirt. It's like a short sleeve button-up shirt. It actually is a woman's shirt. This still has tags on it, which is kind of funny. It's from Alfred Dunner. Alfred Dunier. I feel like they make like old lady clothes, but I loved this little Hawaiian shirt, and it's really cute if you like roll the sleeves up. It is a little large on me. It's a size 14, and it's like a woman's size. It's not like Mrs. or something, so it's a little large. But it's so fun, and I feel like I'm rebelling because it's April 5th right now, and it's still like winter in Minneapolis. It's really terrible. So I kind of just want to wear like a Hawaiian shirt and be like, screw it, it's spring, okay? But so this is the shirt. It's really fun. I got it for $8.50. But again, I got it on sale for 30% off. And this was a brand new shirt, and so I'm pretty excited about it. I think I'm gonna wear it like buttoned up and then like tied at the bottom, because it is kind of like bigger. And so I think it'd be super cute with like some high-waisted jeans. It's just so fun. And the colors, like, I'm kind of afraid of wearing color. I've been stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit lately with it. But I went through a phase where I'm wearing gray today, where I was just wearing like white, gray, black, and denim, which a good chunk of my wardrobe is just that. So I thought I would go out of my comfort zone a little bit, but it's so fun, and I'm really excited. And the second find, I got some jeans. These are actually from the men's section. A lot of my friends that do thrifting a lot always say to look in the men's section for jeans because they have better jeans, and like you can get more like well-known brands, or you can find like Levi's and like nice jeans. So these are Wranglers, which I think these are vintage, but they're super cute. They have like this little Wrangler tag and like the little like vintage Wrangler tag up there. I thought they were really fun, but they're just your classic jean. I'm kind of trying to debate if I want to like cut them off and make like some high-waisted shorts out of them, or if I want to kind of keep them as pants, because right now they're not like skinny, they're kind of straight. They're a little bit wider than I would consider wearing as like straight jeans, but I'm excited to kind of see where this goes. These were $4.49, so $4.50, and again I used the 30% off coupon. But these are in really good condition. There was a pair of Wranglers that were like really worn in. There was like a little hole in the knee, and I really wanted those because I thought they would just look like really lived in, and the hole in the knee wasn't like a hole that was put there. It was like something that was like worn into the jeans, but they just didn't fit quite as well. They were a little bit wider of a leg, and they looked really big in like this area, which isn't my favorite. That's like the one thing I've noticed with trying on men's jeans. A lot of times like the hip area is really big, which is I think strange because I feel like women have bigger hips than men. I don't know, but these ones fit really nice, and I just thought I love that little patch, the little patch, and so I'm excited to see what I end up doing with these. If I do something crazy to them, like cut them off. I've thought about like making like just cutting off the bottoms and kind of like fraying them a little bit or something. But I'm sure I'll post about it on Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. But I thought that was a really nice find. Super affordable. Especially when I'm using free money. So, quick story. I was telling this to my husband, like this idea I had about getting free clothes. And he's like, you realize it's not really free, right? And I was like, shut up, you're ruining it! He was like, those are already your clothes that you spend money on. and so you're just like, it's not really free. And I was like, it is, okay? It is. My cat loves getting in plastic bags. It's the weirdest thing. Move it! Charlie, move it. And then for, I think, the best find of the day, I got these white high top leather Converse that are in like great condition. I'm so excited. They could use like a little bit of a cleaning. There's like kind of some mud on the bottom, but not a huge deal. And I could use some new laces. I don't think these are the laces that go with them because they're pretty short. But like, these are so cute. I have been super into my Vans high tops lately. And so when I saw these, I was like, yep, I want to try those on because I've been into high tops and I think they look super cute. And these ones are awesome. I love them. They've got the little, these are like all white, so even like the logo here is white. There's no coloring on them anywhere. And I'm so happy with these. These were $14.99, but little did I know that day that I went was also 40% off of shoes. And so these were already 40% off, and then I used 30% off on top of that. So I don't even know how much I ended up getting these for, probably like $6 or $7. But I was so happy. This was such a good find. Like, these are so good. I mean, they're worn a little bit, but not bad at all. And I'm so excited. I ended up spending $18 on a whole outfit. So I ended up getting a full outfit, which was my original idea, and they're actually kind of fun looking together. Like, I put them all on together and it's kind of fun. It's like it could be worn as a full outfit. I don't know if I would, but $18 for a full outfit, and it's not like crappy Forever 21 clothes. These are like quality, good clothes. And so I thought it was a steal of a deal, and then I still had 20 bucks left from my clothing sale. I hope you enjoyed this like vlog slash sit down kind of a video. I really enjoyed doing this. I've been like addicted to thrifting lately. Like, it's all I think about. Like, I have like a few extra hours. I'm like, I could go to the thrift store and like see what I find, but I don't need anything, and so I'm withholding. That's not the word I'm looking for. I'm abstaining. I'm abstaining. If you understand this disease like I do, let me know down below. Do you like thrifting? Is it an addiction? Because I think it is. And my husband's pretty happy that I like thrifting because he's like, you can get a full outfit for $20? Sure, go for it. And I'm like, yeah! Anyways, sorry. So if you enjoyed this video today, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.